Hey guys, it's me, Connie with My Sister's Table. I had a few viewers ask me about what I keep in my truck for the homeless. And I figured I'd go ahead and show you instead of just telling you. What we keep is backpacks in here, in my vehicle. What's in the backpacks? They get tarps, two different kinds. One is for the inside of their tent. The other one is for the outside to cover it, to make sure no rain will get in there. If they need a tent, then we will make sure that they get one. Inside, they get jackets, they get blankets, they get undershirts, socks, they get warm hands, warm feet, they get a couple of those, they get heavy duty socks. This one has. They get scripture, of course, because where are we without God? I do give them candles, lighters, snacks, sodas. Did I say blankets? Blankets. If they're already ready to go, then some people don't need all of it, but whatever they need, we have them just to get them started and make sure that they're ready for winter. I hope this answers at least a couple of y'all's questions. Yeah, if you have anything else for me, let me know. Bye. Y'all do something kind.